And welcome to break 1432 for the 2018 Topps Archive 6 Series Retired Player Edition. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Friday, January 24th, 2020. It is 9:20 p.m. Eastern Time, 8:20 p.m. Central Time, and 6:20 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have the Subnoy with 6 spots, Austin Britt 12, Brian 2, Dave 5, Shazam 3, and Clark with 2 spots. We are going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to the break. Subnoy on top, Clark bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Austin on top and bottom. All right, Austin, you have the Diamondbacks and Braves, Subnoy Orioles, Dave Red Sox, Subnoy Cubs and White Sox, Dave Reds, Shazam Indians, Dave Rockies, Austin Tigers, Astros, Royals, Shazam Angels, Brian Dodgers, Austin Marlins, Brian Brewers, Clark Twins, Subnoy Mets, Dave with the Yankees, Austin with the Athletics and Phillies, Subnoy Pirates, Padres, Austin Giants, Dave Mariners, Austin Cardinals, Clark Rays, Shazam Rangers, Austin Blue Jays, and last but not least, Austin has the Washington Nationals. Alrighty. So here we are, all sealed up. Whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. Good luck, everybody. Alrighty, 1432. Charlie Hugh in the Texas Rangers. Nice clean auto there from Charlie. Thanks, Charlie. 16 out of 55. 2018 Topps Archives 6 Series Retired Player Edition. This is going to the Rangers. So let's see who has the Texas Rangers. Texas Rangers is going to Shazam 5211. Congrats, Shazam. And that was break 1432 for the 2018 Topps Archives Signature Series Certified Autograph Retired Player Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll find us on social media at P2J Sports Cards. And our eBay store, of course, is P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. And stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.